Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making kitchen sink cookies. Yes, you know those cookies you've seen at bakeries where they've thrown everything they have left together in their kitchen into the cookie. We're doing that today because someone in my household said, "Can we have some cookies?" And I didn't have enough chocolate chips, but I do have other things around. These are going to come together really quickly. Pick whatever ingredients you so like. You can even make your own toffee, which is optional for this recipe. Throw it all together, make the cookies, refrigerate them. We've talked about that. And then you bake them. Kitchen sink cookies ready to go in a matter of under 2 hours. What could be better? We're also making them because inside the pantry, I found some M&Ms inside the pantry and some potato chips inside the pantry. Look, there's pretzels too inside the pantry. Butterscotch just for you inside the pantry. First, you mix the dry ingredients together, you mix the wet ingredients together, you mix the mix-ins together, and then you mix it all together, and you refrigerate, and you bake your cookies. That's it. 2 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Whisk together. 3/4 cup unsalted butter. 1 cup packed light or dark brown sugar. The choice is yours. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. Mix until light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla paste or extract. Stir to combine. Mix in the dry ingredients in 3 batches, stirring after each time. Now for your sweet and salty mix-ins. This is 3/4 cup. I've got potato chips and pretzels broken into pieces. Another 3/4 cup chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, and those M&Ms all going in. Toss with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add those mix-ins in. Carefully mix them into the dough. Now you have a decision to make. Do you want sliced cookies? Do you want cookies that are in balls and a little bit thicker? Do you want cookies that come off in squares? Regardless of which choice you make, you must put your cookie dough in the refrigerator for at least 1/2 hour, if not overnight. Find out why, check out my chocolate chip cookie recipe. Remember, refrigeration does the hard work with the cookie dough for you. Yes, the cookie dough is good just as is and can go straight in the oven, but it'll be so much better when you put it in the refrigerator where it'll caramelize it more and make for a chewier cookie with a crisp crust. Perfection, exactly what you want from your cookie. I have decided to make mine into balls and then I'm going to refrigerate them. So the pieces of the cookie will stand out. As I said, the most important part of this recipe, into the refrigerator. Before you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. The cookie dough has been in the refrigerator for 60 minutes. They are ready to bake. At this point, this is when you're going to slice your cookies if you made them into a log, or you're going to break them apart if you made them into a big giant rectangle separated into squares. Since I already scooped mine are just going straight into the oven. Into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how big and thick yours are. I have made a total of 30 cookies here. Keep an eye on them. You want them a light golden brown. Time's up. It's been about 18 minutes. Oh, yum. Let them sit on the pan for about 5 minutes, and then we'll let them fully cool. No, we won't. And then we're going to taste them. Wow! These cookies are so good, I cannot even tell you. And I am a cookie purist. I like chips in them. I typically don't like nuts. I typically don't like pretzels or potato chips or anything else. Those made the cookies. I mean, made them. These are so good. I will be making these again. Did I mention that I had never made these before? Yeah, kind of like always. So if I can do this, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. Many more videos are coming. If you have any requests, let me know. Inside the pantry, I found some M&Ms. Inside the pantry, and some potato chips. Inside the pantry, look, pretzels too. Inside the pantry, butterscotch just for you. Inside the pantry, pantry.